In this video, we're going to go over the steps to get your Mega Live Target Lock set up now that you have it installed to get you out and on the water. The first step is to make sure that all of your units are powered on, as well as your trolling motor, and everything's connected to your network. The next thing you want to do is make sure that all of the components of your system are updated. Make sure that your control heads are on the latest version. Make sure TargetLock, Mega Live transducer, and your trolling motor are all running the latest software. For the best performance out of your Mega Live Target Lock, you need to select the TargetLock GPS source. Doing so, you want to pick the closest unit to your Target Lock system. To select the TargetLock GPS source, you need to know the serial number of the closest unit to your Target Lock. Here's how to find that. On SOLIX or Apex, go into Settings, Network, and then System Info. The serial number for this unit ends in 0036. To find your serial number on HELIX, press and hold View, System, System Status, and this one is 0015. To select the TargetLock GPS source on SOLIX or Apex, go into Settings, Chirp Sonar, scroll down to Mega Live, then it's TargetLock GPS source. In this menu, you want to turn off Auto Configure, and then the HELIX on this boat is the closest to the Target Lock, and that's that 0015 we found before. So let's select that. Now we've selected the TargetLock GPS source. To do the same process on HELIX, press Menu, Menu, go to the Accessories tab, go down to Mega Live Installation, and then select the TargetLock GPS source. You want to deselect Auto, and then for this boat, since HELIX is closest to the Target Lock, we're going to select HELIX. And now your TargetLock GPS source has been selected. The next step is to pair your TargetLock heading sensor. On SOLIX or Apex, it's under the Settings, Chirp Sonar, Mega Live, and then at the bottom of the menu, Pair TargetLock heading sensor. Once it's been selected, press the button on top of the TargetLock heading sensor to pair. Once the TargetLock heading sensor is paired, the dialog box will go away, and you'll see that pair has now turned to forget TargetLock heading sensor. To pair the TargetLock heading sensor in HELIX, go to the Accessories tab, Mega Live, and then at the bottom of the menu, there's Mega Live Installation. And here, you'll see Pair the TargetLock heading sensor. Select that, and then press the button on top of the heading sensor to pair. On HELIX, you'll see a confirmation that says heading sensor connected, and then the pair button will then change to forget TargetLock heading sensor. The next step is to pair the TargetLock foot pedal. On SOLIX and Apex, go to Settings, Chirp Sonar, then under Mega Live, it's pair the TargetLock foot pedal. Once pressed, the dialog box will come on the screen, and then you press both the left and right button on the remote to pair. When the foot pedal is in pairing mode, you'll see the lights cycle, and then once paired, you'll see all three LEDs flash on the foot pedal. And then once the foot pedal is paired, you'll see the pair button turned into Forget TargetLock foot pedal. To pair the foot pedal on HELIX, it's in the same accessories menu, go under Mega Live, go into Mega Live Installation, and then go to Pair TargetLock foot pedal. You'll see the prompt come on screen, and then press the left and right button on the foot pedal to pair, just like you did on SOLIX and Apex. You'll see the message clear, foot pedal will say connected, and then the pair option will then turn to forget TargetLock foot pedal. Next, we'll show you how to set up the One Boat Network button. The One Boat Network button will allow you to use any of your TargetLock features from your remote or foot pedal. On SOLIX and Apex, go to Settings, Chirp Sonar, scroll down under Mega Live, and then go to the TargetLock One Boat Network button menu. In this menu, you can choose any of these features to pair to the One Boat Network button. Also, if you have the accessory TargetLock remote, you can also program that in this menu. On HELIX, under Accessories, Mega Live, go down to the TargetLock Foot Pedal One Boat Network button. We're going to set that to Minn Kota steer. If you have the TargetLock remote, you can set the One Boat Network there in the menu option below. Once everything's paired and connected, you can verify their status in the TargetLock device list. You can find that in Settings, Chirp Sonar, under the Mega Live header, go down to TargetLock device list. This will show what's connected, its connected status, as well as the battery status. On HELIX, go to Accessories, Mega Live, then go down to the TargetLock device list. Like on SOLIX, you'll see the paired status, software version, and the battery status. The final step is to get on the water and calibrate the heading sensor. On SOLIX, go into Settings, Chirp Sonar, go down to Calibrate TargetLock heading sensor. Once the process reaches 100%, calibration will be complete. On HELIX, to calibrate the TargetLock heading sensor, press Menu, Menu, go over to the Accessories tab, Mega Live Installation, then go to Calibrate TL heading sensor. After this final step, your TargetLock installation is complete and it's time to hit the water.